Mr. Thompson, the editor of Health and Development Magazine, and with me is Mayor who?
Mary Casillas of the City of Chula Vista, California.
Yes, you did a presentation as part of the panel of mayors. That was very beautiful. What are the benefits of smart cities strategies and policies on health and public health?
Well, I think it's very important, for the sustainability portion of it, connecting people to the resources that we have that can enhance their quality of life and their opportunities for better health. So, for example, making sure that they know where our parks are, where the great walking trails are, knowing where there's farmers markets. All of that is part of being a smart city.
You are in the forefront of climate change,
Yes.
and the effect on health. That is a smart approach to improve the public health of your people. So how is smart cities strategies going to benefit or related to your climate change work?
To our climate action plan.
Yeah.
So we instituted our climate action plan way back in the year 2000, and we're further refining it. So implementing our strategies there, we've actually reduced the CO2 capacity for each resident. So it's all of that, the CO2 reduction and the health of our city, of our citizens, and breathing clean air. We want to ensure that, and certainly it's, I think, one of the major responsibilities of a city to do land planning and traffic management, creating industrial zones that are not going to be harmful to our community.
Thank you very much.